Hi there, welcome to this video in which I will try to explain you how to complete a table and how to sketch a function, specifically a quadratic function. Given the function x squared minus 6x plus 11, so let's complete this chart. For that we have given some values to x from 1 to 5. So what we do is, first, if we have the value of 1 for x, we replace here by 1. 1 squared, and here minus 6 multiplied by x. Here we see minus 6 multiplied by 1, that is the value that we are giving to x, plus 11. 1 squared gives 1 minus 6 times 1, 6 plus 11. 1 minus 6 gives minus 5 plus 11, so the final answer will be 6. When x equals 1, fx equals 6. Here we have 6. Now let's see what happens when the value of x equals 2. In the same process, we replace x by the given value that is 2, so 2 squared minus 6 multiplied by 2, here we have plus 11. 2 squared gives 4, minus 6 times 2 gives 12, plus 11. And 4 minus 12 gives minus 8 plus 11, so the final answer is, you're right, 3. So, when x equals 2, fx equals 3. What happens when x equals 3? So the same process, 3 x squared, so 3 squared minus 6 times 3 minus 6 times x. So we have 3 squared gives 9 minus 6 times 3, 18 plus 11, so the answer is 2. 6, 3, 2. What happens when x equals 4? X squared, so 4 squared minus 6x minus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 11. 4 squared gives 16 minus 6 times 4, 24 plus 11. 16 minus 24 gives minus 8 plus 11, so the answer is 3. So here we are going to stop a little bit to observe the chart. We can see that here we have x3 and fx2. And when x equals 4, fx equals 3. The same than when x equals 2. Since the graph for a quadratic function is a parabola, we can infer that the vertex is in the point 3, 2. And we can infer the value we're going to get here. If it is correct, the value here will be 6. So replace x by 5, 5 squared minus 6 times 5 plus 11. 5 squared gives 25 minus 6 times 5, 30 plus 11. So here we have 25 minus 30 gives minus 5 plus 11. The next step is to sketch the graph. For sketching the graph, I'm gonna use GeoGebra. So here I plot the function x squared, that's it, minus 6x plus 11. Enter, and we obtain the graph. Let's scroll down a little bit. This is the parabola, since it is a quadratic function. Well, now let's see the values. Here we have 3, 2. Let's plot some points there. Change the color, red ones. Here we have a point. 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2. Like I told you before, this is the vertex. Is the point when the parabola starts taking the other direction. 4, 3, and 5, 6. These are the points that we tabulate before, and we obtain the parabola. In another video, I will explain you how to identify the domain and the range of a function, as well as the vertex and the intersection with y or x axis. Six, 3, 2, 3. 6, 3, 2, 3, 6. It means that is correct. What we graph, what we tabulate. So your homework is to tabulate and to sketch the graph of the function x squared minus 8x plus 16. See you next time.